Are you struggling with finding a partner to practice your spoken English with? Well, I have a solution to that problem of yours. Just a few days ago, I came across this wonderful feature on the platform of Clapingo called Peer Learning. This feature allows you to connect with like-minded speakers over live video calls instantly. You'll be able to connect with them randomly at any time. I know a lot of you face this issue that you want to practice your spoken English, but you do not have anyone whom you're comfortable speaking in English with. In order to improve your spoken English, you need to practice with someone on a regular basis, but you do not have anyone to do so. Well, this feature is going to solve that problem for you. You'll be able to connect with learners who want to learn English with you on this platform. People will be able to communicate with each other with no hesitation. People who used this platform were really happy with it. Even I tried this platform and found it to be very helpful for learners. Here are a few of the clips of the sessions that I had on this platform.
So which books do you love to read?
So I'm a big fan of, the Harry Potter series, the
Nice.
Sherlock Holmes series, and also Ruskin Bond. I'm really fond of their stories.
Okay, nice, very nice. So I am quite an opposite of that. So I am into non-fiction mostly like the improvement ones. Like I love to the self-improvement books I love to read, where I can get the knowledge that I can apply in my life, and that kind of stuff I love. So have you read? So are you interested in reading such kind of books or not?
Not exactly. Once I tried to read the Atomic Habits, I think that's the book's name.
Yes.
And I hated it, honestly. I did not like it at all. This peer learning platform, I think this is my second or third session. I'm not sure. Yeah, but it's going on great. The platform's really
Yes. It has been a great what to say. I love this peer-to-peer because you get to know so many people across the country, and you share your experience.
Yes.
And you get to know them, and it is kind of like a familiar feeling, because they are not the expert. They are not going to scold you or something. It is like an open ground. Just speak whatever you want. Just express yourself as much as possible, and that's the great thing. This peer to peer.
Do you self-study or have you joined any tuition classes?
I used to self-study like forever, but this year particularly it's my 10th grade, so that's why I joined a coaching institute, because I do not want to take any chances. I want to take the best support from like everywhere that I can get, because it's a very important year. It's 10th board exams.
We have been through that phase. It's so tough.
Yeah.
Especially in the beginning, you don't feel that much of pain. But when it comes, like the boards are around the corner, around February, you feel as if like you should better be in the 9th grade. Because here through this peer learning session, you can meet so many people from different backgrounds, different cultures. So actually, it's great to have a conversation with them.
So, as you see, this platform is a great way to connect with learners. One of the best features of this platform, and my personal favorite feature, is that it provides you with a performance report with a scorecard, along with the mistakes that you made and their corrections and explanations after each session. You'll be provided with a detailed summary of a minute-by-minute review of the whole conversation. The platform provides you with an instant connection with learners with no wait time between booking a session and attending the session. You'd be able to connect with unlimited practice partners across various backgrounds. Moreover, Clapingo ensures that only verified users are being connected with each other. I believe that this is a great platform for learners to improve their spoken English. You should definitely give it a try. You can find the link to this platform in my description box down below. Do give it a try, you would not regret it.